some rushers come. Going to throw it as far as Ortega, which is well short. And the Kansas City Chiefs have won Super Bowl 57.
I'm so proud of this team for everything that we've been able to overcome. Obviously, we had a big-time goal in the end that we wanted to accomplish, and we came up short. You know, I think the beautiful part about it is everyone experiences different pains, everyone experiences different agonies of life, but you decide if you want to learn from it. You decide if you want to use that to be a teachable moment, and I know what I'll do.
Champions, Eagles fans everywhere, this is for you.